Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're ready to be dazzled by the most beautifully sparkly, brilliant moissanite stone ever, you have to check out this love knot pendant that I got from ARINZA. Moissanite has become one of my favorite stones because it is so much prettier than a diamond. So it has a higher refractive index than diamonds do, which means it's gonna sparkle and shine and blind you because of just how gorgeous it is. This particular pendant has a 1 carat moissanite stone, and you'll notice that the way that it's mounted allows it to dance. It's on the move all the time, and it's so eye-catching and stunning. There is so much attention to detail with this necklace. It's surrounded by beautiful stones as well, and it has a lobster clasp with a dangle in the back with a little star shape on it. I love all the cute little touches, and everything is sterling silver. This necklace comes beautifully packaged, and it would make an amazing gift for that special someone in your life. I'm so impressed by the fire and brilliance of this pendant. I think that you will be too, and that's my point of view.